And I notice he I'm giving gas as if I'm approaching a double when the front tires hit. You're doing it like when the rear tires hit. You know, like
Yeah.
he hits with the front tires. The truck's already sort of in there, and then he gets in it for the small stuff. But for this, he hits the brake on the face, and then
slows it down, brings it in. It's kind of like scrubbing speed as you're going up, and then you just gas it at the top and get over it. Because you can't hit that wide open.
That confuses me even more.
Don't let it scramble your brains.
Protein, yeah. Hey, Ma, where's the protein?